Uh, what's up, guys?
What's up?
What's up, dude? Sado. Sade. Sa. I just took a little short up here for a scalp play, but
I was just looking between the 15 and the 5 minute.
yeah.
Kind of just look above type of look here.
Yeah.
I don't love the 15 minute. Yeah, I like the way that closed. You're right on the 5 minute 9 though. Egypt parking the bus over here. Frank, are you're still in the XOXS?
I think he sold most of it, if not all, from what I remember on Spaces.
These 15 minutes playing out into a decent little short here. Book map, they're lighting up. They're lighting up all the way down to 400. 400 are back to 750. Pick your poison. What's my target for this pullback? Oh, I don't know. I'm not short, but if I was, I would just target this NFP probably right here on QQQ, which is like 470s, 460s, 472. Like 475s. They've got orders down there. Eesh.
We got some Oracle calls coming in. 147s for 731 expiration.
Mike's so good you can hear him chewing gum.
You can hear that? Damn. My bad.
It was a good ASMR mic, though.
It just picks up everything. Well, now my kids are home. Jesus, I'm really going to go mute.
No way. Egypt?
Golazo.
God. 2-0 Egypt? You're gonna take old guard's gonna be out of the World Cup, huh? Oh, there's a lot of time left.
Did you see McDonald's and DraftKings this morning?
No, I did not.
Yeah.
Oh, McDonald's gapped
McDonald's gapped up, and then DraftKings freaking ripped out of the gate for that swing.
Yeah.
Both positions 50 to 70% this morning. Both called out here live on the stream. Dude, I gotta pull up YouTube because now I'm interested to see what my mic sounds like.
Wow, Frank.
McDonald's and DraftKings this morning.
No goal. They called it back with VAR. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, dude.
Full port Argentina.
Dude, the mic sounds pretty good on YouTube.
Yeah, you sound good.
That's pretty
funny,
clear.
We can hear your like whenever you like.
Oh, that's probably annoying as shit, but
I mean, it's like faint.
see, I can also change it to this one, but I don't think I want to. That's like all the custom settings, which I don't think I need. Yeah, I think UPS is a swing law.
Question is this still a long right here? I don't love it, so I'm gonna kind of just sit and watch. They saved that 15-minute though. Egypt's actually playing pretty good. We're just gonna go sideways until the game's over?
Guess so.
My father was born and raised in Egypt, so oh yeah. Yeah, if you're a fan of Egypt or you're just cheering for like the underdog or against Argentina, you're gonna disagree with that VAR decision. If you support Argentina, you're gonna agree with it. Just one of those. I'm glad I didn't chase any new trades up here.
Yeah, we're kind of stuck between two big spots on Gamma right now for Spy. For Spy.
Have you ever used the map thing here on Bullflow?
That's what I'm looking at right now on Spy.
Yeah, I just got signed up here. Let me put Spy on here.
And then toggle it over to Bubbles.
Oh, yeah, I've done the bubbles and the channel. I like the channels, but the bubbles is pretty cool too. It's kind of the same idea.
I have it on 5 minute. I have it on Gamma, Advanced Chart, 5 minute, 1 day, Bubbles, Dark Pool.
Yeah.
And Flow. So yeah, we're pinned between these two right here.
Watching the game while watching the market on our channel. Yeah. I'm watching both. Argentina, what's it? 30 minutes or so left. They're throwing in the full attack now. We've bounced in the same support area. We've bounced multiple times. NDX has bounced in that area a ton of times. And SPX still looks great. There it is. Egypt. I can't call that one back.
Yeah.
That was a hell of a counterattack straight from the keeper. Argentina can still tie this. 2-0. Crazier things have happened. Boy, we are just going sideways. That's what the book map was telling me too. There was like nothing really on either side. Short Egypt, they're extended from the 9. Is this are we on the outer Bollinger Band here? Plunge protection team. I don't know. I don't know if Argentina can pull off the magic again. But you never know if anybody can do it. Put some of my winnings from Belgium yesterday on the tie here. Boy, this makes me feel good about Colombia. Can never watch any sports at home. It's got to be at a bar. It's interesting. Oh. If Argentina can score in the next few minutes, it's going to make this last 15 minutes just crazy. Your kids are awake.
Can you hear them?
Yeah.
I just got back from the pool.
Is Restream connected to your mic?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe hit the little down and double check.
Yeah.
Interesting. Did that mic come with like gain settings and like that? Does it have like settings to it? I wonder if you could play with.
Yeah, like I download an app. So it's got an app where you can mess with all the settings on it. I just don't know how it works. Look, I'll toggle it over real quick to that one. All right. Do you think there's any difference now?
It sounded a little different. Are the kids still using?
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Imp
pretty
is the sexiest man I see.
What did you just add?
There's a few different. I toggled it over from directly to the mic to it has it listed as a virtual mic, which is connected to the application where you change all the settings.
Ah,
I
yeah.
can click on the mic and it's just default. Whatever the mic is, that's it, and that's what I have it on Restream. But then under inputs, it's called Motive Mix Virtual Output, and that's connected to my settings thing.
So I think there's some like I think there's like some like there's probably like a noise gate for like spikes and stuff. There's probably a lot of things to play around with.
On OBS there is, but I don't know how to use OBS but join the Restream link when it's like not my stream, because I can go live on Restream.
Yeah, there's like should be like some sensitivity settings and stuff. I don't know. This Rodecaster has like the built-in stuff, and I still haven't even played around with the like advanced settings on this one, but it's whatever. It's working for now.
I can also change. Oh, hey, maybe this is why I sounded louder than a lot of other people on here. It's a setting within the Apple settings.
Oh yeah.
Here, watch. I'm gonna toggle this down. Now let me know if my voice is quieter.
It's about the same.
It's still the same?
Maybe a little. It was about the same. I think whatever that application is doing the virtual mic thing is what's made the biggest difference. I don't know. Maybe your kids stopped yelling too.
Could be. They did. They stopped yelling. Here, let me toggle over to this one.
Looks like we want to push.
Wait, that's output. Maybe it's this one.
I don't know. We have what? 15, 30, 45, 60. We have an hour sitting in this range.
Do. That's about the same. I don't fucking know.
God, park the bus, Egypt. Just park the bus.
I just shit.
I have a good dad voice for when I have to discipline the kids.
Taps your voice to keep volume levels consistent. Sounds best when you are between 2 inches to 2 feet away. That's the gain control. Ooh,
Yeah, there should be some like sensitivity thing or talk again.
Is that better or worse?
It got like way quieter, but it was like still crisp in my ear. It was just like,
Yeah.
goal. God,
Yeah.
these Argentinians are gonna go crazy. They're gonna review this.
Yeah, like this is probably a lot louder right now. And then this is probably quieter.
Yeah.
Does it sound better when it's quieter?
Sounds pretty good actually.
Or can I be like right in the middle? Like right here? This is the middle.
Yeah, it's probably right in that area.
Okay.
Like right there, probably. Probably
All
a
right.
pretty good spot.
We'll lock it in right here.
Test it. We'll test it again when the kids are fighting.
Snap in the back. Control sound by raising the volume on quiet sounds and preventing sounds from exceeding certain thresholds.
Yeah, there should be like a. Yeah,
Ooh, that's called compressor.
yeah. So like if like there's big spikes, it like cuts them out.
Okay. So I have light, medium, and heavy.
Ooh,
Control
YG, you're way
sound
behind.
by
There was not offsets.
volume. Well, it says control sound by raising the volume on quiet sounds and preventing sounds from exceeding a certain threshold. I don't know if that's good or bad. Fuck if I know.
No, I've never really played around with the restream settings, but it's supposed to have some kind of built-in stuff that I don't think works at all.
No, I swear to God, it doesn't. The ones in Restream, there's no way. There's no
The
way they
Discord
work.
one kind of works. That crisp or whatever it's called, the K.
On Restream?
No, on Discord. You know what I'm talking about on Discord?
Oh, yes, I have that turned on. I have let me see. I know I have that turned on. And then voice isolation, which I don't know if that really works or not, but DraftKings, baby. Look, DraftKings. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, yes. Sweet mama.
Oh,
Let's go, baby.
look at that turnaround.
Dude, give me a new hide. It never stopped out after the my runners this morning.
Oh,
Let's go.
Messi just went on an insane run and they almost scored. That was so fun. Oh my god.
What is this called? A Shure MV7 plus compressor.
Oh my god. How am I 3 minutes ahead of you guys?
Oh, I don't know if that's good though. It says it boosts quieter parts and tames loud peaks.
Well, it does. Yeah. I don't know. It helps like with the loud pieces more than the like quiet pieces, but it is like a both sides thing.
If you do medium, it compresses your voice further, evening out volume spikes without heavily coloring the sound. This is ideal for general podcasting and streaming. Fuck it. All right, cool.
Brewster, I turned on Kill Tony last night. I fell asleep, I think, within the first like bucket pull. I was tired. I'm still tired. Oh! Go! Messi!
No.
Messi! Oh, he's the greatest! Oh my god, Messi! There's still like 10, 12 minutes left.
What's the score?
Messi!
What's the score right now, Amp?
2-2.
Oh, shit.
What did I say? If anybody was going to make magic, who was it? Who was it going to be? Messi. Che, boludo. Oh my god. Boludo. Che, boludo. ¿Dónde está ahí? Unreal, dude. Unreal. The market's just going sideways, letting us watch magic.
I don't know what channel gain is, but I'm gonna put it down to -12. I'm gonna leave the settings like this. I'm gonna see what it sounds like for the rest of the day. See if it's good.
It was like almost a hair quiet, but it's pretty solid. God, did you guys not buy the dip on Messi? Come on.
You said it's a little bit too quiet.
Que mira, bobo. Anda pa allá. Fucking. Oh my God.
Roof.
Oh my God. There and look, everybody's complaining about all the VAR and offsides. This guy's onside by the VAR by 3 inches, maybe 2.
Go to the YouTube stream.
And look, when you're the best, everyone's gonna say it's rigged for you. Everyone's gonna say it's rigged for you. Of course. Cream always rises, baby. Cream always rises.
Are we still rejecting? We better come down a little bit. Was that Oracle? More Oracle calls are coming in.
And here's the thing: where the hell is Wapfender? Show yourself, sir. Tagging me right now. Your goat is losing to Egypt. Not anymore. Boludo. Wapfender telling me the U.S. was looked way better than they were. No. Ooh, that was loud. We haven't gone anywhere for like an hour and 20 minutes.
No, we're just chilling.
I mean, I just went for lunch and just got back, and it's like nothing.
Did you buy the dip on Argentina?
69 cents. That's all I bought at 69 cents. They're trading at 71 cents.
I got so much stuff on right now.
Did they go down to like 40 cents?
I don't know how far that went down. I'm on
I'm trying to think. Where did they
actual
go?
app here. Where's my
It's all DraftKings. About to make a new high of day.
I think they went to like 40 cents, 44 cents.
I can cash out half these bets for a win and leave the runners.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Do we think DraftKings makes a new high of day? I mean, dang, what a back half. Needs only like 10 more cents higher.
Unreal. Unreal. Que miras, bobo. like market's going sideways. We're trading World Cup over here. I am going to close out one of these bets. I put way too much on tie here, and if they score another goal, then I'm up a creek.
A and B. Where's NU?
All right, I just. Oh no, the Egypt defense is like bent over at their hands on their knees and stuff there. Dude, they might get cooked here in real time. Oh, they might get cooked. Oh no. 7 minutes added on. Dude, Cloudflare's having a day. Oof. Egypt's still throwing it too. No!
There's no way it was Messi.
I'm glad I closed out those bets for the tie. Holy shit.
Wow. What a comeback for Argentina.
Unreal. 2-0 is the most dangerous. This is what, so like, you hear people say this a lot, but they say 2-0 is the most dangerous lead because you give up one goal and the other team gets confident, and all of a sudden it's just a full-on barrage. You're up 2-0, and it goes to 2-1. Then it's just a full-on barrage, and the other team takes all the momentum.
Egypt scored at the 15-minute and 67-minute, and then 79-minute, 83, and the 93rd for Argentina. That's impressive. Shit.
Oh my god. What did I say, guys? If anybody was going to pull off magic.
What the heck is this stock?
And there's still going to be another 4 or 5 minutes left.
Kind of want Egypt to score now.
Can you imagine?
Just make it so much more interesting than it already is.
No way. And my Argentina to win was still. Oh. So, I know like half the people here are like, can't wait for the damn World Cup to be over. Oh my god.
Got some buy signals coming in here.
Yeah, I just was looking. 15 minutes still strong. There's your next hourly close. 30-minute close, a nice full body. It's tough for me to long this though, even though it looks like a flag.
Mm-hmm.
Says 30 seconds. I guarantee because of the gold, they'll make this another. To that atmosphere there in Atlanta is insane. Look at all the Argentinians. Los argentinos, boludo. Oh, Meta got a candle. Oh, what is this?
Ooh.
Meta.
No.
What is this headline? I don't know. I think the news squawker guy's asleep. Meta to release first AI model for image creation titled Muse. Meta plans to replace third-party AI image models with its proprietary Muse image technology.
Amazon's getting a little spike here. Apple.
That may be another good positive catalyst for Meta to go higher. All right, dude, we're like what are they even arguing at this point?
All right, I closed Argentina. It was 99 cents. I guess they
Might as well. I'm glad I'm not trying to trade this either. What a game, dude. Zeta new highs of day. But Zeta daily chart still looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Buy strong names on down mornings. Usually works out.
Anyone look at Hinge? That chart is impressive. You know what stock I think makes a new all-time high here soon? eBay.
That's a good looking chart.
Yeah, I think she can do it. Meta's still going a little bit.
There's the game. Game over. Argentina move on. Wow. Oh, unreal, dude. Oh, what did we just witness? And we have another game in just under 2 hours. Is that like right when the market closes? Yeah. Ocho, what a game that was. Kind of feel bad for Egypt. Hey, I don't. Somebody's got to win, somebody's got to lose. You could tell it was trouble. Egypt were gassed. That's a brutal way to lose. The Meta news. Meta to release first AI model for image creation titled Muse. That's MUSE. They plan to replace third-party AI image models with their proprietary Muse image technology. An alternative World Cup. Norway's the last Cinderella. I mean, I guess you could say Switzerland has a chance to be a Cinderella. Switzerland's team is not bad. We need a game where you, the fan, know how much time is left. Well, see that I hear that argument all the time. And here's the counter argument. If you have the ball and you're in possession There's extra time that was being wasted. They can add that time on, obviously, if there was time being wasted. But, let's say you're building up an attack, the final attack that gives you a chance to win the game, tie the game, whatever. And because the clock's just counting down to 0, you don't get to finish that opportunity. Even though the guy right before, when you had a throw in or a free kick or something, he took the ball and threw it away and killed an extra 15 seconds. It's a running clock. It's not a clock that stops. It's a running clock. It always has been. But that's the counter argument. But I get it for like somebody that's like new to the running clock and the not ending like right in the middle of a goal scoring opportunity. I get it. I just realized we haven't even touched the 21 since we moved up.
20.
Yes, but we haven't.
21.
So put up a graphic that should. Well, I mean, they tell you like how much they've calculated, but whenever they announce that, like Argentina scores a goal in the 93rd minute, and by the time they finish the celebrations, restart the game, it's like a whole minute and a half. If they do a review, anything, it's a whole minute and a half. Like, you want to just lose that time if you're the other team? No. And as a player, you should just keep trying your best the entire time until the final whistle goes. Just play until the final whistle. Don't worry about how much time's left. It's not like basketball where you're heaving up half-court shots. But I get where you're coming from because I've heard the argument a lot. But oh my God, can you imagine being an Egypt fan? The way your heart just got ripped out. Oh, man. Use images available today across Meta AI app on Instagram stories in the US, WhatsApp in some countries, coming soon to Facebook. Oh, well, it's a ripper from Meta.
Fruity. Space theme.
Lasso made me a cool 2K. Lasso did see that candle quickly. I love when that happens too. Like when I have one of my what's your main channel? Oh, Lasso in Life.
Lasso.
Oh, I see what, yeah. Yeah, I get it. Little misunderstanding. You're all good, Frosty Dog. Last one, life. We'll get you unmuted. I don't mind. You know, I'm looking back. I see. It was like a bunch of messages all at once. The African curse continued. Yeah, that was the last. All right, Morocco. You said Morocco. You have what? Morocco. You have France, Spain, Belgium, Norway, England. And then you're going to have Argentina and either Switzerland or Colombia.
God, Meta just hit 620.
No, we're all good, Frosty Dog. He got a little too excited. But at the same time, yeah. We're all good. I don't know how to unmute it, so it'll just get unmuted whenever. Have you guys seen the Robinhood 7% APY for USDG? I have not. What is USDG? Is USDG what is that? Is that a crypto? Gemini dollar? So look at this 5-minute chart. This is crazy.
Yeah, this is boring.
That's why I'm not doing anything. I mean, it's what, a 40-point range or so, 40, 50-point range. Just back and forth for like 12:30 is when we start consolidating. And it's 2:15. It's almost 2 hours.
Bleed it out, take it deeper, just to throw it away. Just to throw it away. I bleed it out. I bleed it out. I've opened up my eyes.
Dude, if I could have one person's voice, it would probably be his.
Nah, dude. If I could have one person's voice, it would probably be Frank
Morgan
Sinatra.
Freeman. Oh, Frank Sinatra? That's a good one.
Yeah, it would probably be Frank Sinatra. I got a record player behind me with a vinyl record of him live at, I think it's maybe the Bellagio in Las Vegas. It's a recording. Pretty sure it is. Let me read the box.
Who else would even be on the like greatest singers of all time, like voice wise? Like, I mean, I guess you could go to like some of the classic rock. I mean, did you say Freddie Mercury from Queen? Would you say? I mean, Elvis is probably on the list. If we're just going with guys only.
Yeah, unopened album of
What is that? An unopened out? Who is it?
Harry Connick Jr.
Oh, Marvin Gaye.
Dude, look at this. Look at this record of Elvis. It still
Oh.
has the original sticker on it from the store, from RCA Records of 1971, for $2.98 is what that sticker says. Look at that. It's still in the wrap too. It's still in.
That's
like,
amazing.
Dude, it's crazy.
And my dad has a ton of records.
Oh, here it is. It's this one. Oh, I like Michael Bublé. I'm a Michael Bublé fan. I like his stuff too. Let me see. Which hotel is he at?
Al Green,
The Sands?
Steve Perry, Mick Jagger, Luther Vandross. Those are all
Tells a
good
story
ones.
inside here.
I've never like really thought about. I mean, Johnny Cash. I would throw Johnny Cash on there. Yeah.
Yeah, so Frank Sinatra performed live at the Sands Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. It was recorded in 1966. This is the vinyl for that performance. And then it's got like a story inside the vinyl. This is probably one of my favorite ones. It was arranged and conducted by Quincy Jones.
God, Meta's still going. Quincy Jones.
Quincy Jones.
Meta just at 622.
Should have grabbed some freaking lotto balls or some shit. What else we got? One more Elvis. More Elvis. Christmas Frank Sinatra. 1973 Elvis.
Oh, Jordy's back.
That's some
I
M&M's.
am back.
You run a quick errand.
This old record. This is 1973 Elvis too. What's the oldest record in here? Probably this one. This is from the 1930s.
Oh, damn.
Dude, this almost 100 years old. And it still has the plastic wrap around it.
It's wild.
Dude, and this vinyl is in fucking great condition. Dude, there's probably shit on here that no one has ever heard about.
Oh, I'm sure.
Like, has anyone ever heard the song Deep Purple by DeRose Parrish? Like, what the shit? Night and Day by Cole Porter. Who's Cole Porter?
No idea.
John Denver. Ooh. Got some John Denver on here. A little bit of John Lennon and Paul McCartney.
There we go.
John Denver, Mike Taylor. This is the one that's worth something. I'll probably sell this one day. I don't know. If you need me, call me. Cole Porter is a huge name in music. Well, let me look it up. Oh, yeah. Born in 1891, died in 1964. American composer and songwriter. Well, I have a 1930s album with his name on it. The only Day and Night I know is by Kid Cudi. Porter wrote a lot of music for musicals back in the day. Oh, well, maybe that is worth something over there.
What a gross chart, Casey. What are we doing, bro?
Dude, I don't
Trying to break
know.
down a little
This has been boring.
bit.
Q's getting a little nasty red candle. 5 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't mind Oracle for a dumpster diver. I just want to see a little bit better of a setup. But Oracle's at big support on your weekly. So I mean, you do
Dropping
have
into
good
the
risk
hourly
reward.
gap on NQ. See if they try and bounce it from here. I'd think they want to trade lower in this gap a bit, but I might be wrong. Trying to keep it going. Ooh, little drill ski.
Mm-hmm.
See if they try and hold these 500s again. That's what they've been holding on NQ in this whole range here that we created intraday.
I miss anything?
Nah.
No.
Oh,
Little
look,
drop.
we're still in we pulled back a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Get out!
Get out.
Get out of here! Get me out of
Yelling,
here!
yelling at the dog.
Fuck out of here.
So the noise cancellation feature does not work on Restream.
No. I think it does like help with some noises, but
Partially.
not much. It does. The restream does not do
Right.
much.
Ass.
Yes.
There's a fucking fly trying to attack me.
I was kind of thinking the same rooster from a risk reward standpoint.
Like Oracle 170s for August 21st.
SPY is still right between two gamma levels. SPX, this one that was growing, is now holding. They're still a lot below though. See if QQQ has anything to sniff at. Not really, still in between. And that's right down there where the dark pool and the NFP level is going to be. There's supposed to be some. I feel like I do remember somebody saying there's supposed to be some Tesla news today.
Tesla news? I don't know.
Oh, why is my door open? Yeah, I see. Increase the noise gate on what?
I don't know. They tried to tell me that one day, but mine doesn't have noise gate. It has like other.
I'll say
similar
what?
features.
Say there's no such thing as noise gate that I see on here. No feature.
It's really loud again. I don't know if you turn something off or.
Hello, Matthew. Hello.
Dang, that's loud. It's like who can hear every knock.
Just hitting the dead.
Now, knowing Tesla, they'll do like their 7 ounce will do like Pacific time, like late tonight or something.
What tools do you use? Discord plus OBS? Discord and Restream. I'm not on OBS right now. On OBS, I know you have different settings, and I do.
Yeah, OBS is way better.
But I don't use OBS.
This is Restream.
Discord or to join like someone else's Restream.
All right, we're getting close to where I would be interested. $2 billion dark pool orders right here at 710.74.
I think we could hit 450s here. Grab those real quick.
Dude, I've been sitting in this for like
2 hours.
hour and a half now. Yeah, when I first came back on here, I'm still sitting in it. I haven't done anything. Still sitting in this short.
Well, they can't go any higher, so they're going to go lower.
I hope so.
The question is how much lower? 'Cause there's not really much down here either. Hey, last one live. We got you back. Do a poll to see who cares about the kid screaming that Casey and Imp can't vote in.
Tempted to close this short.
Oh, 20K on Meta? Dang, that's a hell of a trade.
It's a beautiful trade.
QQQ sitting right on the 50-day in that trend line again.
20K is 20K.
On that Meta candle that he spammed about.
Is NVIDIA cooked? What? I'm not sure what you mean. Is NVIDIA? It's chilling at high of day.
Yeah.
Unless you bought 0 DTs or weeklies at high of day. I mean, then yeah, probably sit in. Oh, I don't know. I don't even know what they're at. Where are they trading at?
What, 0 DTs?
No, talking about some flow on some $200 calls from 715.
On NVIDIA?
Yeah. Some flow came in earlier. Like 350 something. What are they sitting at now? It's also for what, next week expiration? So, I mean, if you're sitting in calls at high of day on NVIDIA, I mean, you did one of two things wrong. One, it's at previous day high resistance. And you bought calls after it ripped for a straight hour. And you bought a week out. And now you've been sitting in them for 2 hours and price action has gone sideways. So you're getting theta burned since it's not moving. So
There is this right down here, this 1.6 million, 1.16 million NVIDIA 200 calls for next, what is it,
Yep.
the 15th?
that's the flow. It hit the 50-day, I believe, earlier. You on your daily chart on the video? I think
200 day.
Oh, which one did it hit?
Probably 200 day. It's probably the 50
200?
week. No, just the 200 day.
It could be the 200. Let me see.
Yeah. The low of day wick was like the 200. Look at that. Within pennies.
I always have my 50 and 200 confused on this indicator.
Yeah, I have to color code mine.
Man. I stopped using it because I use my ribbon when I turn it on. The daily 200 SMA was at 191.27. Today's low of day, 191.14.
Is TE cooked? It looks pretty cooked. It looks really cooked. I don't know what if there's news on this, but you don't knife through everything into this gap fill down here is not a good look. Right after it rejected that $10 area that we talked about. And let me guess, they're a pre-revenue company. Yeah. Net income negative. Delayed financing on that one. Senator Mitch McConnell is recovering in the hospital.
Dude, can I get a freaking fill?
Probably right here at halfback.
Gosh, dang, that took forever. Holy shit. Finally, filled. Oh, yes. Yes. Thank you.
Oh, there's a breakdown.
Finally. Boo! Motherfucker.
U.S. emission. No, that was.
I'm out a half. Oh my goodness. 15-point gain. Oh, Jesus. Thank you.
Is this where you long it though?
Probably. And now I have a stop in. God.
I don't know. SPX looks like it could come down too. Crude's popping on this headline from the U.S. amended Iran general license. Oh, amended U.S. license for revocation and wind down of June 21st. Authorization for production, delivery, and sale of Iranian crude oil. So oil's probably getting a spike. Yep.
1.5 hours. Jeez. I entered into that trade at like what, 106, 108 p.m. Eastern. It's now 2:50. My gosh.
Maybe 391.
Oh, yes.
Oh, they're rocking.
Oh, yes.
Watch
I
this
only
ever-
went short. SPY and QQQ pre-market low back test. Like perfectly. That's it. It's the only reason I went short right when I jumped on the stream.
I don't hate it to hold down here though.
About the back test previous day low on SPY. Tessie new low of day.
Either 390, 350, somewhere in there. And then back to 500.
So
with-
we drop a little
not
bit
with-
lower.
With crude doing this though. Gold's getting rugged. See what happens. SPX hits this 7,500. Iran's actions in the Strait of Hormuz were wholly unacceptable to the U.S. and will be met with consequences. Good Lord, is that Jordan?
Yes, sorry.
We'll just set up like a mute hotkey for you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Jordan, you'll be back to your normal mute button soon.
Yeah.
Kind of want to start trying to get long, but I'm gonna wait for the level. QQQ, this is the right in the range. We did just knife right through VWAP though. Yeah, Garrett, today's been a interesting day. But Frank was right. It couldn't go any higher. Had to go down lower to find buyers. Okay, I kind of want to long this spot on NQ, but I don't like that SPX hasn't got there yet.
I mean, I couldn't get shorted. I mean, I would have had to sit with it for hours, but like this now doesn't look so good, but I'm not shorting it here. But I'm starting to look at the daily and I'm like, oh, in these SMH. In the stocks. Ugh.
I'm gonna take a starter along here at 390. Well, so waiting on SPX to hit.
Come on.
Oh, right into power hour. This is gonna close right on it.
Filled 20-point gain ES runners. Oh,
All right.
there we go.
Took a starter along there at 85.
Cover another at 45. And then after that, I don't really care about the last one.
Add one right there. And just hope we don't flush all the way through this.
Yes, come on. You're gonna fill it already? Oh, come on. Come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. All right, I'm gonna cover that one right there. It missed it by 0.25, so I sold it at 46. One left.
There we go. Come on, buyers.
I don't know what the fuck all those lines are.
Oh, dear.
There you go.
Not getting much of a bounce here. And as power hour kicks off. I'm afraid this thing's gonna go down to like that 328 and then bounce.
Yeah, I have 325 as like full spot for shorts here, unless they want to go further, which is low day. But I'd expect to bounce off that 320 area initially.
Come on, get me back to like 419 for a trim. Oh, that's not what you want to see. SPX is going to dance right here on this level.
You have a trend line there on QQQ. Kind of swept underneath of it a little bit. But it reclaimed and closed right
There we
on.
go. Give me 419 for a trim. Uh-oh. Ooh, not good. Nope. Looks like it wants lower.
New low of day SpaceX. Should be good for my SPCQ then, right?
How we doing?
I have no idea. Someone just said new low of day. Let's go take a look. I am up 67.7%. So it's good. Looking good.
Oh, I've got a 365 average, and I don't want this to go below the 320s. I do not like what ES and SPX are doing. They look terrible. Terrible.
Bust it down. Come on. We are getting a little overextended, but I don't care. Just bust it down, y'all. Bust it down.
Watch this flash through all the way to my stop and then rip back. $300 is actually a volume shelf.
Oh, she's taking out
Yes.
minor sell side here. Here we go.
Yes.
325.25, spot where it could bounce, but if you blow through that in like 308s, just 300s flat, I think you're going right back to lower day. What a nasty move, dude. Holy fuck. Oh.
Beautiful.
Needed to hold. QQQ can still come lower, but NQ is right there.
Gosh dang, if I would have taken that same trade on MNQ, it would have been around 570. Like 250 points. Where are we at on MES? Just around that 44 area from 70.
Oh, here they do it. Boom. Sell side taken. Buggers.
Row. Gotta bounce here. Gotta bounce.
Go. Yes. All right, I'm tempted to close this. Almost up 30 points on ES.
Bro, fuck it. Are we just gonna go to 160? That full low. Oh my goodness.
If we don't hold here, I have like 120. Yeah, and we just lost all of those gamma levels. They're starting to light up down here at 74.85. Hold. Hold.
Bouncing right off my sell side level at 325.25. If you keep respecting bearish for value gaps, you're going to keep going down.
Yeah, this does not look good.
Two-minute gap. I could see us popping to this order block at 360s, but I expect rejection there until the market shows me different.
It doesn't have enough of a sellers covered, buyer stepped in type of look.
Yeah. It's beautiful. If you're short, it's just like look at those lower highs on a 1 minute. It's just like every time we make a next leg down and a new lower high, stock gets you trail that stop every high. Because if we're gonna keep continuing down, you shouldn't make a higher high. You shouldn't even test it. You should just continue efficient price action to the downside and not break that chain of lower highs, lower lows. And you know,
Right here it goes.
when
Here it
you
goes.
do,
Here it goes.
yeah, here's your next leg down. So where does that stop get moved down to? If your stop is at like 412, right into this 350, right? It's like you just keep doing that, trailing your profit as much as you can until it takes you out, or you get full target that you're looking for. Holy shit! Look at
This
this.
looks like it's about to get nasty.
Make it nasty. Make it nasty.
That's nasty. Yeah, good job, Fenster. Keep it up.
I'm gonna have to get out. Get out. If it goes back over 320s, then I long it.
Volume prober right there at the figure. It's got to hold the figure.
Now it's gonna stop me out right here.
Let's go, Mateo. Caught a huge piece of that range. Nice.
Yeah, this looks like it's about to just yak all over the place. Goes under 300, I'm stopped out. And watch, it'll hit this pivot point and just, ugh. But we didn't hold. We didn't hold anything. We tried to bounce, didn't hold it. Oof. There is nothing left, really, other than those equal lows.
SpaceX.
And there she goes.
Not really a puke either, just like a bleh.
No, it hasn't puked.
No.
ES did a little bit more, but not fully. Yep, I got stopped out. Look how disgusting this is. Now it's puking.
Fuck yes, I'm out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm all out. Jesus. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
$1,300. Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Go take out the low day. Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. Banger.
Where's Ivy low? 260?
Gosh dang.
Now it's gonna bounce, huh?
Look at the speed. Look at. We're going sideways, dude. Structure's not broken. We finally break the structure. All those higher lows. Start forming some imbalances and thing rolls over. Holy shit. So much speed this afternoon. Usually don't get speed like that.
Watch this 15-minute close right back buck above. I'm gonna be pissed.
You don't want to see this go above 349 at that high. You're still short. We got an imbalance here. If you're going to continue, it should just respect this fair value gap and go lower. So far rejecting.
You know it's sneaky. Sneaky. CL oil.
Yep.
Want some Schlumberger.
Body so far unable to close in the gap. Wicks respecting it. That's a sign of bearishness there. It's good. It's being respected still. Candles continue to close. Boom. Outside of the gap.
Yeah, I don't know if this gets I don't know if they try to bounce this or not here into the close. SPX looks more promising. It's still too early in this candle. Or they just bounce it right back to the midpoint of the day. Doesn't look bouncy though. Or SPX, so they just pin it right here. Ooh, Microsoft fell apart too. Everybody's selling Tesla because Tesla didn't announce anything. ES looks slightly more promising. This does not look like a bounce, even though it's a bunch of red candles in a row. Bro, GG's to the shorts this afternoon. Good lord. Whenever there was nothing left above us, I should have just started working into it like Casey did.
Yeah, that was fun. That was fun.
ES looks so much better to at least get into the 9. Q's looks like it's just dead. It's just buyers are going to give up.
Still respecting fair value. At most, we've had wicks to the midpoint of the gap that we just made. Now we deliver to the low again here. Let's see.
Most likely. Yeah, I'm not surprised they'll flight to safety too. Flight to safety, oil's ripping, yield's ripping, dollar's probably ripping. Yeah. Gold and everything else is getting crushed. Bitcoin getting crushed now? Because it was doing good. It rolled over too a little bit. Yeah, look at that IGV. Ugh. God, I'm so tempted to try it right here. Because they could just try to save this last 30 minutes, but I don't think they're going to be able to. Where's Will been? Will is all over the place. He's in Colorado right now.
He's hiking in some mountains.
Shit, dude, he was at a Red Rocks concert yesterday. I don't know, that guy travels everywhere. He's living life. 15-minute might save it here on QQQ. Doesn't look like there's enough volume underneath here, though. This 30 minutes going to close right on the NFP. Look at this. $15-minute closed above it. Can they hold like right here and push? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Immediate sell pressure, too. Look at that. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, oh. There's the MA9.
Is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me.
Uranium.
N is for no survivors.
Oh, if they pump this thing back to 500, oh, that'd be so dirty. I don't think they're gonna do it. I think it's gonna get smacked here again.
One of my accounts got wrecked today. The other one's nice and green, so that makes me feel better.
Oh, I've got a red day over here.
I had 4 out of 5 accounts green, and then I got another one. The other one this morning was down 1,100. This one just went plus 13. We put the fun in funded.
Oh, they're building back above us a little bit.
Oh, UPS did? Yeah, make a new high of day. Yay. The SPX credit spread from this morning is still at 100%. So I wasn't going to close it, and I have not. It should expire for full profit on the last half.
They buy this thing up 100 points from here, it will basically save this this daily. Ooh. 2 more people just bought tickets to the Wolf Summit. Let's go.
Let's go. It's about to rain again outside.
Come on, Rooster, rip this thing back up. Come on, Rooster. It's right into the 9. Can they save the trend line in the 50-day? Would not bet on it. The crazy thing is SPX still looks pretty good. So different. Oh, they're going to crush it right back down, aren't they? Dicks. That was probably the short right there. This takes out this candle low. It's bye-bye. Well, I got a little snorkel going on today, and I'm not going to resurface. I mean, I'm not going to die, but...
I'm reading that Iran's license to ship oil through is going to be revoked or is revoked.
Yeah, that's why oil started ripping.
You can't buy me shit out of fucking.
That was really just a pop to the 15-minute gap to test, and now we're coming right back in.
That's probably what most people are thinking, Frank. Most people are probably looking at this going, yeah. And after Trump's comments of they'll either agree or get, we'll start blowing them up again. That's basically what he said. Not word for word, but that's the way I took it. And then they went to 2 ships got attacked last night. And now it's like, okay.
This shit show.
All right, guys. I'm headed out for the day. Love you all. Hope you had a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Love you, KG.
Great trading today.
Yes, sir. Oh, we're still alive, Rooster. Does anyone know anything about TU? I don't know anything about TU. 5 ships last 24 hours. And there's explosions. Oh, yeah. This is... Yep, I don't think they can save it. think we got a little deeper pullback trying to set up now. Which is going to be interesting because if NASDAQ breaks down, SPY revisit the 50-day maybe? 740? 737? But this now becomes a big problem. $705 is like major line in the sand. Oh, this thing's toast, isn't it? Wait a second. Yeah, NVIDIA's about to view up. Google's about to make a new low of day here. Yeah, Google's dead. It's about to go red. NVIDIA's on a key level. Meta's giving it all back. Trying to. And there's only 15 minutes left in the day, so. They may just let this thing loose into the close here. I don't know. I'm not going to take my red day and live to trade another day.
Dude, I have fucking bugs attacking me.
Yes, I am red today. And I don't have much hope of that. That's not going to change. There's no way I'm going to risk a big enough trade that would even get me back.
Good thing you had 10 grand on Argentina. Good for you.
Yeah, if only. We closed underneath it. Oh. What if it holds right here? Wall Street, what are you seeing that would have it hold right here? These nuts. I don't know how much buy side action you'll get into MOC today with all the question marks around SpaceX, Iran, all this stuff. It could be ugly with SpaceX.
We could get. I mean, SpaceX. We could get something in the close here with SpaceX.
Yeah, I don't know. I think what we saw yesterday was like somebody getting ready for it. Full port long, Lord of Wall Street. Why would I do that? Yeah, full port SSPC. There you go. I don't think there's much hope left for this. Not for today. And it could be a little bit interesting the next week or so until we start getting some earnings thoughts. But the S&P and the rest of the market still look okay. There's just a lot more defensive stuff happening today. And that could be a blow off on banks, possibly. Industrials were weak.
It does look like June lows are going to be a spot we're going to see on NQ at least.
QQQ right at the NFP number.
We're sitting on the weekly 9 again. We're sitting on the NFP number. That's the only thing I was like, well, till that breaks. I don't know. For a month now, we haven't really seen follow through on either side.
Yeah. I don't like the way they broke this afternoon, but that's not that much. So
today was nice. Like today, I know it was to the downside, and not a lot of people maybe wanted that. But today was nice, just given the range we've been in. Like getting some decent movement on this daily candle, you know.
A couple
Towards
good
the bottom
shorts
of
and
the
long,
screen.
but I couldn't short it up where Casey shorted set. You know, that was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 15-minute candles. It did nothing.
You look at the SPY's still in a pretty good spot, and the volume today was actually really low on SPY.
Isn't Trump with NATO today?
Yeah, but it's like nighttime already.
So we're gonna hear some shit about Iran tonight and tomorrow.
Here's MOC. Let's see what they're doing. That kind of snuck up on me.
They're not really buying it.
Uh, 3 million shares on Space SPC. Amazon's a buy. Google's a buy. Nvidia's a buy. 715 million to buy on the Mag 7s. This looks like a small overall. Mag 7 is a buy side. Yeah, Amazon, Google, and Nvidia are buy side. $1.8 billion to buy. S&P 1.2 billion to buy on Nasdaq. 715 on Mag 7s.
Not enough.
Well, you just 7,500 SPX. They're just not gonna let it go over that. Yeah, look at this. Look at them. This dog fighting over here. Just dog fighting 7,500. Oh. Yeah, bios have been doing well. And then a lot of your defensive sectors, defensive names. Profits stinking out of some areas, put into others. I mean, what? We're down 0.5%, 42 points on the S&P. Nasdaq down 2%. Good. What did the equal weight do today? Equal weights break even. That's pretty wild. It was crazy. They had that beautiful 4-hour candle earlier that just got stuffed right in that. That hourly on ES here, though. You got about 5 minutes to rip this thing 100 points, or the Nasdaq's going to close down here underneath this. QQQ would have to jump $2.50 in 5 minutes. Crazier things have happened, but it would have to jump all the way back up here. Ooh. You're gonna square it off to VWAP over on ES. Just buys at VWAP. Here's the 5-minute flip over. Hold the phone, Rooster. We're still alive. Hold the phone. We're alive. Oh my God. It's alive. You could get absolutely smacked here, but it's alive. Three minutes. There's no way they do this, right? No chance. IndieX would have to go another almost 100 points. 100. What's that, like 90 points? Can it run 90 points in 2 minutes? It'd have to come right back to here. No. I'm saying to get above the trend line and like back where the 50-day moving average is, and to like save the structure, even though it's kind of broken, but to save this, the look of this, they need to close it back up here 100 points higher than where we currently are. And with 2 minutes to go, I don't know that they're going to rip this thing 100 points here. No, I'm not down 90 points still. Yeah, if we open up tomorrow anywhere and push up and reject from the underside here, I will be looking for shorts. One minute. Can they do it? There's no way they do this, right? There's no way. 30 seconds left? No, there's no way. It's toast. They're gonna pin SPX right there.
Pinned. Hey, decent bounce though. I'll give it to the Bulls off the low there. I mean, it was a decent bounce. It went further than I thought. I thought we were gonna keep it drilling to the low, to be honest. Looked like it just wasn't gonna stop.
10 seconds.
Looks like
Nope.
my full sell side target 325.50 was the spot to be getting out.
And there's the. I'll pop up to like 14. Oh. I did some good damage control, and we've got. Oh, okay.
The time of the day where I go over to that trash can on my TradingView chart, remove all drawings,
I'm running to the gym.
and we
You
start
guys-
again. Sounds good, Frankie. See you tomorrow.
See you, Frank. Yep, I'm flat.
We start again with a blank naked chart.
It's such a refreshing thing when you can do that.
I love that this time of day because I just go and I fucking wipe the chart clean and she's just like a fresh canvas waiting for me to Bob Ross that shit all the way up. You know? It's perfect. It's phenomenal.
I always have to go and do that like once or twice a week.
I do it every day unless there's specifically like a weekly gap I'm watching or something that I want to keep on there, and I just keep that on there, of course. But we wipe her clean every day.
Well, red day for me.
All good. Happens.
Part of it.
We have meeting minutes tomorrow. Probably not going to be too exciting, but we also have wholesale inventories at 10. Wholesale sales. Crude oil inventories at 10:30. Some minor data.
All right. Well, I did some damage control there at the end of the day.
It's good. And like again, like MPU are pretty much green every day. And like
Yeah.
even I know there's bad days too, for sure. But like on those bad days, even if you are red, but you keep it minimal and you're able to fight your way back a little bit, that you know how much like that bumps up your P&L in the long run? Like it's crazy. So good on you.
Yeah. I mean, it was
Like much of a
was a
win, but when you take that like minus $700 day to -2 and you do that consistently, you know what I mean? Even though it's not flipping green, like man, like just think about all the dollars that get added up over time, you know, even just 1 month of trading, of having like 4 days out of the month doing that, you save a lot of money, you know.
well, I ended up
Lots of small.
down half as bad as I was at the worst point today. So
Yeah.
made it to half back. Hey, red days happen. I mean, part of it.
What went wrong? Let's therapy this out. Are we trade doctoring right now?
What went what went wrong? My trades were wrong. That's
Did
what went
something
wrong.
go wrong, or was the trade just wrong? Like, would you have taken that
Yeah,
trade over, or did you actually do something wrong?
No, I mean, I was trying to long this morning off of this,
Mhm.
500, and then that didn't hold. And I tried somewhere else. And got ran over pretty good. And then I got this one, and I should have just stayed in this one. And I had a short here that helped me a little bit. I scalped this part, and I got ran over on one here. So
Gotcha.
that's what I took. 1, 2, 3, 4 losses, and 1, 2, 3, basically 4 wins. They're making a move back. But my losses were bigger than most of my wins today. So
There we go.
there you go.
Well, it matters.
I didn't blow an account. I didn't full port. I didn't try to make it all back.
There we go.
I'm actually pretty proud of that. And if you add up the last 2 days, it's bigger than today's loss. And I'm still overall green on the month. All right, we'll take it.
All right, ladies and gents. Well, I'm wrapping it. Been a day. See what we get tomorrow. A little bit of data, minor data to watch out for. What are some spots to watch? I mean, we just swept previous week low. You have June 22nd's low, which is the week before that, just below us. Happy to see us trade there if we want to, but overall, right now it seems like sellers on this bigger time frame are still in control. So I'm gonna keep playing that way.
We're still holding support.
I mean, if things flip off these lows, they can for sure. I just think it's very possible we need to trade to that 160 low on NQ first. I mean, if it really gets nasty, take us to freaking June lows, but I don't know if that would happen. I gotta think bulls try something off 160.
Well,
so.
you look at this in the like here's QQQ. The 705 has been the biggest support up here. So if that holds, and look, we closed, this is the point of control for the entire range, 709. We closed right on it. So there's like nothing, it's not like fully confirmed. It doesn't look great because you did break the trend line and you did close right under the 50-day. The weekly 9 is still intact down here with, obviously 3 days left, but that's still there. And then you go to the S&P. The S&P, we closed over 7,500. We're still in the upper trend line. You do have a couple lower highs, but if you wanted to update it that way, I guess at this point, but you're above every moving average, even the fast moving averages on the daily. The weekly, honestly, this weekly, you came down and filled the weekly opening gap, pushed back up. So just to paint both sides of the picture here, IWM, that one's got a little bit more of a rolly look, but it's in an uptrend. You come into maybe these moving averages here. All these sweep these lows at 295, 294. But you held the same area. NQ's still pushing up. Dadgummit. The Dow, new all-time high, but that looks kind of ugly. But it's still in an uptrend. Very strong uptrend, made a new all-time high today. SMH closed above where it opened. That's actually insane. Under the 50-day, does this undercut and go? I don't know. We'll see. Nice thing is we live for another day.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all.
I have a feeling that this is where like it starts to look really bad, shakes out a lot of people, and then we get into earnings season and like people are willing to speculate again. I don't know. It just feels like that. type of potential, but the selling in the semis and the I trade has been brutal. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Either way, be here. Am I here
Alright.
tomorrow morning?
Are you?
Yes. Thursday's the day that I won't be here in the morning. Yeah,
Okay.
tomorrow morning, normal.
Heard that. All right. Great day, crew. We love y'all. We'll see you in the morning. I'll be live early on Spaces. Come hang out with me for 30 minutes before the stream starts. We'll talk about news and whatever's going on in the market. Get ready for the morning. Wacky Wednesday, baby. FOMC meeting minutes shouldn't be too crazy, but we'll see. We'll see. You got a little bit of data at 10 as well. So hopefully another great day. We'll see y'all then.
Okay.